Derrick and Debbie! Let's go, Derrick! I can't wait to go see the animal safari! Yay! I wonder what animals we'll see today. Look, Debbie, what animal is that? It's an elephant! Let's see what else we can find. Wait, did you hear that? It's a monkey! Woohoo! Let's see what else we can find. Derrick, up ahead! Look! Wow! A tiger! Whoa! Ooh! Let's go, Debbie! Do you hear that? Where is it coming from? It's a snake! Here's for the camera! Bye-bye, Mr. Snake! I had such a great time! Who knew an animal safari could be so much fun? Bye-bye! Green, orange, red, where are the fruits gone? Green, orange. Red. Blueberry. Orange. Pear. Tomato. Wow! Hi, I'm Derrick. Hi, I'm Debbie. Let's learn numbers in the way we will never forget. Let's draw number one. Let's draw number one. Let's see what we can draw with number one. A lovely boat that sails so fast. It is so easy. Drawing is so much fun. Let's draw number two. Let's draw number two. Let's see what we can draw with number two. Two yellow ducks. That's it, quack quack. Watch them swim. We can draw two ducks. Let's draw number three. Let's draw number three. Let's see what we can draw with number 3. A butterfly in the sky. It looks so pretty. I can draw a butterfly. Let's draw number 4. Let's draw number 4. Let's see what we can draw with number 4. For baby sharks, they swim so fast, making bubbles, jumping up and down. Let's draw number 5. Let's draw number 5. Let's see what we can draw with number 5. Some lovely apples. They are so red. They are so tasty, juicy, yummy in my tummy. We learn numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yay! Hello! Derrick, let's go for a picnic today. This is the map to the picnic destination. And those are the spots we can pick up fruits from. Let's start from the first spot. Let's go! What fruit do we have here? A banana! Paint the banana. Wow! Yellow! Woo! Next spot. Strawberry! Paint the strawberry. Woohoo! Red! Watch it go in the basket. What's next? A pear! Paint the pear. Green! Yay! What fruit will be next? Grapes! Paint the grapes. Purple! And the last one is an orange! Paint the orange. Ooh! Orange! Yay! We did it, Debbie! Bye-bye! Debbie, look at the stars. Can you find a shape? Look what I found. Ooh! Square! Wow! Derrick, I found one too. Well done, Debbie. I found one more. Triangle. Ooh, I spotted one too. Hexagon. It was so much fun learning about shapes today. Bye-bye. 1 dragon. 2 cows. 3 horses. 4 sheep. 5 penguins. 6 pigs. 7 kittens. 8 birds. 9 bunnies. 10 ducks. The numbers train. We learn our numbers today. Yay! Bye-bye.